Hello and welcome to Prepress for graphic designers. My name is Calvin and I'm going to be your host for today's episode. We're going to go over resizing a smaller image that needs to be large enough to print on a large banner. In this example, we are prepping for a 10-foot by 8-foot banner. The client supplied file is 22.77 inches wide by 18.54 inches tall at 72 dpi, and the final size required is 122 inches by 98 inches at 100 dpi. So to fix this, go to image size to Resizing. We need to make sure that our proportions are linked. Resample is checked with preserved details enlargements chosen in the drop down, then choose 20% for the reduced noise. If you click and hold inside the preview window, you'll see the original pixelated image. When you let go, it will show you what the preserve details drop-down option is going to do to improve the image. So when you are at viewing distance, you won't be able to see much of a difference from the original. So then we're going to click and let Photoshop do its thing, convert the image to CMYK for printing. Now that we have the shortest dimension at the required size, we can trim the width. We now want to turn the background layer into a regular layer. This will allow us to move it around after we change the width. So click on the lock on the right of the layer name in the layers palette. Go to image, canvas size, and make sure that relative is unchecked and the anchor is set to the center. The finished size of the banner in this example is 120 inches wide by 96 inches tall, but we need to add 1 inch of bleed all the way around. Bleed will ensure that there is enough extra space between the edge that is being cut and where the artwork begins so that none of the image or art is cut away or cropped off when printed. We will set the width to 122 inches, then click OK and move the image to the left or the right until it looks fairly balanced. Finally, go to Layer, Flatten Image, and save as a TIFF with LZW compression. Now we can close the image and use it to update or create our banner. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.